The charm charger is a DC fast charger. Our effort to standardize the conventional EV charging in the country led us to develop the charge pod and the charge post. These are both AC charging terminals equipped with standard automotive connectors that can easily be adopted by our local EVs. We wanted to introduce a way to safely and reliably charge our EVs under all weather conditions. This cannot be accomplished by conventional household plugs that a lot of EVs are using. The charge pod is our basic charging terminal that comes equipped with a coin-operated payment system for commercial operations. This allows EV fleet operators and charging station operators to set up a self-service charging facility that can automatically collect payment from the users. The pod comes with a standard automotive J1772 connector that can perform EV charging even under heavy rains. But for EV users that have non-standard charging equipment with their vehicles, the pod can also be equipped with a universal weatherproof AC socket. The charge post, on the other hand, is packed with even more features. Just like the pod, it comes with a standard automotive J1772 connector for EV charging. But universal weatherproof AC sockets can also be installed if it's preferred by the user. Aside from a 5 kW power rating, it comes with an internal voltage regulator to protect the vehicles from unexpected surges from the grid. A digital power meter is also available to monitor the operations of the charger, as well as to monitor the energy consumption of the vehicles. A coin-operated payment system can also be integrated for commercial charging operations. In order to streamline the whole electric vehicle ecosystem with clean energy right from the source, renewable power is integrated to the charging system with solar panels. This brings energy security to the charging station because it can generate its own power and store it for later use. So, from power generation to power down the road, clean energy is utilized without harmful emissions day or night.